Welcome. In today's video, we will introduce OpenAI's latest AI model, ChatGPT 4o. You will learn how it processes text, audio, image, and video input and makes your work easier and more efficient. For example, if you need a job, say so. Also, learn about its uses, benefits, and some limitations. Come on, let's begin. ChatGPT 4o is OpenAI's latest AI model, capable of understanding and generating human-like responses in real time. This powerful model can process text, audio, image, and video input, making it extremely versatile. Lightning-fast response time, up to 232 milliseconds, easily keeps up with the pace of human conversation. ChatGPT 4o uses advanced deep learning technology, specifically transformer-based architecture, to understand various inputs and generate answers. It processes input data and generates relevant and meaningful answers, which ensures meaningful and relevant conversations.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an OpenAI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling about? Are you in a cool
Compared to previous models, ChatGPT 4o integrates text, audio, and visual data into a single neural network, further enhancing its multimodal capabilities. Content creation. Are you looking to write articles, essays, poems, or code? ChatGPT 4o is a valuable assistant. Language translation. Need accurate translation in multiple languages? ChatGPT 4o is ready for you. Conversational AI. Perfect for chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support, it provides simple and intelligent conversations. Creative writing. Need catchy slogans or imaginative stories? ChatGPT 4o can unleash your creativity. Context. While ChatGPT 4o is impressive, it does not retain context outside of the current conversation, which can limit longer conversations. Accuracy. Sometimes it may give wrong information, so always double-check important information. Security. It follows strict guidelines to avoid harmful content, but requires user discretion. This was our video today, where we learned how ChatGPT 4o works, its various uses, and some of its limitations. Hope you found the video informative and useful. If you have any questions or want to know more, don't forget to let us know in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss more interesting videos in the future. Thanks, and see you again in our next video.